Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a really pretty set of fall nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with a glitter gold gel polish by Madam Glam, and I'm going to apply that on the ring finger and the middle finger, and I'm going to use that as a base for my loose glitter. The loose glitter that I'm going to be using is, I believe, from Walmart. A lot of the loose glitter that I have is either from Walmart, Dollar Tree, or Michael's. I can't remember which one this is from, but it's just loose glitter and you can get it from the crafts area. I'm using an OPI cuticle pusher to pick up the glitter and just pour it over the top of the nail, and then with the tip of my fingers I'm just patting the glitter down so it kind of sinks into that gel polish and it stays on really good. So again, we're just applying the glitter on top of the nail, patting it down, and then we're gonna cure them for 60 seconds because we want the gel underneath to cure really good. So after this, we're gonna go in and do the next colors. So the colors that I'm gonna be using are all gonna be by Madam Glam. So this one that I'm gonna do on the pinky is LA Styles, also by Madam Glam. This one is a really pretty burgundy color, and we are gonna do them matte as well, which is gonna make them look even prettier. So again, all of these are gonna be really pretty fall colors. I am absolutely in love with all of these fall colors, so I'll be sure to leave the link in the description to the Madam Glam gel polishes as well as the promo code. Now for this finger, we're gonna go in with the color Pumpkin Pie, and you guys know that it's so hard to find like a really pretty burnt orange like this one, and the yellow one that I'm gonna use on the thumb, and that one is actually gonna be in the color what is it, in the color dang, I can't remember, but of course I'm gonna put it down below. Oh, it's actually Fifth Avenue, I'm sorry, but this is in the color Fifth Avenue by Madam Glam, and I'll leave all of those links down below. Alrighty, now for this hand, we're going to be doing basically the same colors. So this is LA Styles, we're going to do Pumpkin Pie and Fifth Avenue. And then on the ring finger and the middle finger, we're going to do a marble with black and the Pumpkin Pie orange color. Alrighty, so for the marble ones, I'm going to be using my nail art paint by Broadway, and I get these from Dollar General, and they're just regular nail polish. We drew just two random lines on the nail, and with my small brush, I dipped it into the acetone and just dabbed the colors. And I'm just going to add a little bit more because I want it to be more on the darker side. So when you tap, just make sure you tap really gently if you want the colors to be darker, because if you use too much acetone, like, it's going to make the black a lot like sheared. It's not going to be as dark. And then I'm also going to be throwing in a little bit of the orange in there as well, just patting it down. And then after this, I'm going to come back in and retrace the black lines, and that's pretty much going to be it. At the end, I'm going to come back in and add a little bit of the gold glitter on both of these, but that'll be at the very end. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure these under the light for 30 seconds, and then we're going to do a second coat on the first hand. Alrighty, so I'm going in and doing a second coat on this hand with all of the 3 colors. And then I'm also going to go in and just retrace the black lines on the ring finger and the middle finger with the marble. Alrighty, now for the top coat, I'm going to be using the Nail Supply Glamour Matte Gel, which is a matte top coat. And I'm going to be applying that on all of the nails except for the glitter nails. I'm going to do a regular top coat on those, which for those I'll use my Madam Glam Gel top coat. But this top coat I just cure for 60 seconds. And then after that, they're like super matte. So if you're looking for a really good matte top coat, I highly recommend this one. I do have a promo code for them. So I'll be sure to leave that down below as well. Alrighty, and for the glitter nails, I am going to be applying the top coat, which is just the Madam Glam Gel top coat. You can leave them without a top coat, but I always tell people like the glitter stays, but it's kind of like a glitter shirt, you know, like the glitter is going to stay on your shirt, but eventually it's going to start rubbing off. So I do, you know, suggest they get a top coat, and if they don't want it, then of course I don't do it. But anyways, now we're going to go in and draw a line with the gold glitter down the middle of this nail, and then on the ring finger, we're basically just going to outline the cuticle area with the gold as well. And then while that gel polish is still wet, we're going to come back in and sprinkle some of that loose glitter on top of those 2 lines. And then after that, we're going to cure, and then we're going to come back and add a top coat. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. All of the colors just went so perfect together, and I'm loving that marble. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.